March 2024, a vital sanitary sewer force main failed in the coastal community of New London, Connecticut, threatening to pollute nearby waters ahead of the city's peak tourism season. Rather than excavating all the roadways and spending millions to replace the damaged pipes, New London contracted National Water Main Cleaning Company to implement a trenchless solution. With a unique design-build approach, which streamlined both the design and construction phases, the company was able to respond with agility and precision to the urgent situation. Their innovative method utilized UV cured-in-place pipelining, an uncommon but highly effective technique for restoring pressurized pipes. National Water Main utilized a SAERTEX-LINER Multi-S Plus XR, a high-pressure resistant glass fiber reinforced plastic liner saturated with a special resin that hardens and cures in place when it comes in contact with UV light.
We're in New London, Connecticut, and we are rehabilitating their force main, a part of an emergency job that they called us for.
There was some fractures in the force main at the bottom of the pipe at 6 o'clock. There was about 3,500 feet of force main that we need to line that we found.
What the lining process consists of when we show up to line is, we run the camera through first to make sure nothing's changed in the hose pipe.
So that's the first step, clean and TV. Then you drag the liner through.
Just feeling it and touching it, you can see the definite difference between this and another, UV liner, SAERTEX. It's a lot stronger. It doesn't shift at all. It can withstand the pressure. A lot stronger than what the pressure is needed for the line.
So if it's another liner that's not rated, it could break apart. Infiltrate it underneath it and deform it.
We would string it, put the SAERTEX-LINER into place, put the cans on, bring it up to the required pressure, maintain that pressure, pull the light train down to the other end because it is UV cure, and then make sure everything looks copacetic, and then pull it back.
While we're doing this, we're recording the liner without cooking, and to make sure the liner is fully open and there's no wrinkles that could cause any interruption on the flow. So if everything's good, when it's on the other side, we light up the lamps and we pull it back and we start cooking.
The benefits to the city is obviously, it's eco-friendly. You're right here, we're right next to the water, so there's no, sewage or anything going to be leaking out underground and getting towards the harbor or anything like that. Then, instead of digging up this pipe, which would be a multi-million-dollar project, they're saving money on that. And then as far as the life of the pipe go, probably another 50 years, if not longer. So, well past it when I retire and everybody else. So,
the result? A brand new pressure-resistant pipe within the old pipe through innovation, collaboration, and advanced technology. National Water Main Cleaning Company completed the project weeks ahead of schedule with minimal impact on the surrounding environment, ensuring New London was ready for its crucial tourism season. This project sets a new standard for emergency infrastructure repair, proving that with the right expertise and approach, even the most challenging crises can be turned into success stories.